Okay, it's not 100% clear what is meant by this. Solve this. Normally that would mean find the angle that has a tangent of negative 15/8, given that the sine of x is greater than 0. Okay, so there's two places where the sine, the tangent of some angle is negative 15/8. One is in the fourth quadrant, which would be this angle right here, which I've called theta sub 2, actually. Because if we draw this right triangle, this distance is negative 15, this distance is 8, and the tangent of this angle, negative 61 degrees, 0.9 degrees, is negative 15/8. But the sine would be negative in this quadrant, opposite over hypotenuse. And by the way, if we move this angle into the second quadrant, the hypotenuse is 17 by the Pythagorean theorem, which I've shown here. So you could find the trig functions or trig ratios of this angle, which is 118 degrees. And I found this 118 by adding 180 to this minus 61 or minus 70. Okay, now on a calculator, if you do arctangent or inverse tangent of negative 15/8, it'll give you the angle in the fourth quadrant, an angle between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. And so if you need to move into the second quadrant, or the second quadrant, you have to know to add 180. If you're in radian mode, you'd add pi radians. Okay. And if this question was really asking what is the sine of the angle that has a tangent of negative 15/8, there it's 15/17 once you find this hypotenuse. And you can find these other trig ratios also once you've found h is 17. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you need to convert this to radians on Desmos, you can do that. And this angle, again, you'd add pi instead of 180. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.